So if you have a drone and you're in the United States and your drone weighs less than 55 pounds, you are required to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration. This is a very simple process. We're going to go through it real quick to make sure that you don't get scammed by some of the other websites. I'm going to leave a link directly to this website, and all you need is $5 and a couple of minutes. So if you are a hobbyist, it is very simple. You go to I need to register a drone under the exception for recreational flyers, and you click on the register button. Here you would fill in your information and make sure that the two passwords match. And then click on create account. Now we need to go find the verification email with the email address that you input on the previous page. So go to your inbox. And you will see an email that looks like this. Simply click on the link in the email. And as you see, we've successfully verified our account. We may now log in. Go back to login. Quickly read through if you're interested in what you're agreeing to and hit I agree. Put in your credentials once more and click login. And now just take a quick minute to fill out this basic information with your name, address, city, zip, and click proceed to checkout. Next, you will see this page. Simply go through the safety guidelines. And once you have read through them and you understand them, click I have read and understand the safety guidance, and next. On the payment information section, you will simply need to fill in your credit card information. Your credit card will be charged $5, and click on use mailing address if your billing address is the same, and then hit next. And that will bring you to the review and pay page. There, make sure you check the checkbox and click pay. Once you see the confirmation page, you are complete. Simply go to your email inbox that you used to sign up with the FAA. And once you scroll down, and here will be your certificate of registration. And the very cool thing is they provide you with a certificate number. And this certificate number you must write down on a piece of paper and then stick it onto your drone. And you are good to go. You're ready to fly. Congratulations. You can now be a drone operating hobby. Bear in mind that this video was made at the end of September, and right now there is no test that you have to pass in order to get a hobbyist drone registration. However, soon there will be a small test that you will have to pass. So if I were you and you're watching this video, I would try to get this done as soon as possible. Happy flying!